Hello friends, आप कैसे हो? I hope you all are doing fine. As always, I'm also doing fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. आज हम जो भी टॉपिक और जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट पे डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है irrespective ऑफ आप जो भी सब्जेक्ट परस्यू कर रहे हैं, बी इट साइंस, बी इट कॉमर्स, बी इट आर्ट्स। जब हम ये टॉपिक और ये कंसेप्ट को हम अच्छे से कमांड बना पाएगा, सो हु नोस इन कमिंग फ्यूचर ये कंसेप्ट का हेल्प से हम जो भी ये यूनिवर्स का अभी तक ये हिडन मिस्ट्रीज को सॉल्व करने का मदद करेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज का टॉपिक है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज। सो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज, व्हेन वी discuss about the trigonometric ratios in Cartesian coordinate system. So according to Cartesian coordinate system, we know that any plane can be divided into four parts, that is with the help of two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. So this is first part, we call it first quadrant. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So हम ये फोर क्वाड्रेंट में, फोर पार्ट्स में ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज कैसे वेरी करता है वो देखेगा. सो फॉर दैट लेट्स टेक ए one unit circle. With the help of unit circle we'll see all the trigonometric ratios, so how their value will differ. Okay, so for that let me draw a one right triangle. Okay, so let's say this is O M N. So with the help of this right triangle, if I rotate this right triangle along this unit circle like this, if I rotate, so we are taking this unit circle center at the origin. So let me give this distance as A and this as B. Okay, along the x-axis, let's say this is A. Along the y-axis, let me put with the another color with red, this is B. Similarly, let's draw another right triangle with the same measurement. We can take any measurement, but for convenience we can take with the same measurement. So when we come in this left side, since this is origin, so from origin we are taking the left side, we call it this is with the same distance, that's why this is minus A, and y will remain, that means this distance will remain same because this is along a y-axis. Okay, so I hope you are getting. In the same way, let me draw another right triangle with the same measurement. So for that also we can say that this becomes, this perpendicular distance become minus B because it is along this y-axis, negative y-axis, that's why this becomes minus B. And similarly, let's draw a right triangle here with the same measurement for our convenience, as I told you before. So, and this side will become, we are taking the measurement which is along a negative y-axis, that's why this become minus B, and the base will become the same as A. So let's take first quadrant. Okay, how all the six trigonometric ratios, their value will change. Okay, we'll see the value. So first is sine theta. We know that sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta, if we know these three values, we can easily find out other remaining three values, that is cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta, because just inverse of these three, sine, cos, and tan, inverse of these three ratios will give us the rest ratios. Okay, that is 10, that is cot, sec and cosec. So I'm taking this is theta, this angle is theta. Okay, all the angles are theta. So the angle is nothing but the measurement between two rays. Okay, so we measure in the angle. And sine theta is, what is sine theta? That is sine theta, let's take in the first quadrant. Sine theta is opposite, that is b. Let me write with black. B opposite by hypotenuse. I'm taking this circle as unit circle, that's why the distance between M and O is 1. This is the radius of this unit circle, that's why this is 1. 1 is the unit radius of the circle, so B by 1. And let's say cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Our base is A, hypotenuse is same 1. Tan theta is opposite, that is B by opposite by base A. We can see that all the values of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta and tan theta is positive. That means inverse of this trigonometric ratios, that is cot theta, inverse of tan theta is cot theta, inverse of cos theta is sec theta, inverse of sin theta is cosec theta. All other rest of the trigonometric ratios will also gives the same value, that is positive. So that means all the values of trigonometric ratios in first quadrant is positive. Okay, this is positive. So similarly, let's take in the second quadrant. Okay, let me erase and make a clean here. Let's say this is sin theta in this side. Sin theta will be opposite, that is B by hypotenuse is same, this is 1. And cos theta will be base. Base is, we have minus A by 1. That means cos is negative. Okay, and tan theta. Tan theta will give me B. Opposite is our B, and base by means opposite by base, that is minus A. That means we got it two values, that is cos theta and tan theta is negative. That means all the inverse of these two ratios also gives the value negative. That means inverse of cos theta is sec theta, that also negative. And tan theta, inverse of tan theta is cot theta, that means cot theta also negative. So only sin theta is positive. So that means inverse of sin theta is also positive, that means cosec theta is also positive. So in second quadrant we got that sin theta and cosec theta is positive. In the third quadrant, sin theta will be opposite, minus B by 1. So sin theta is negative, cos theta is base. Base is also minus A by 1. Cos theta is also negative, tan theta. That means tan theta is opposite, means minus B by base minus A. So minus minus gets cancelled, B by A. Yes, now we've got it. The tan theta is positive in third quadrant. That means inverse of tan theta, that is cot theta. Cot theta is also positive. Cot theta is also positive. That means tan theta and cot theta are positive. Rest of the four ratios are negative. So similarly, let's find it. in the fourth quadrant, sine theta will be opposite or perpendicular is minus b by a. This is negative. Cos theta will be base a by 1. So tan theta give me minus b by tan theta will give me opposite, that is minus b by a, opposite by base. So from here we got it only cos theta is positive. That means inverse of cos theta, that is sec theta. Sec theta will be positive. Sec theta will be again positive. So let me repeat from first quadrant. In the first quadrant we got the value, all the ratios, all the trigonometric ratios, their value will be positive. But in second quadrant, in the case of second quadrant, we found that sine theta and inverse of sine theta is cosec theta. That means sine theta and cosec theta will be positive and other will negative. And in the fourth quadrant only tan theta, okay, that means tan theta and cot theta will remain positive and rest of the trigonometric ratios will be negative. And in fourth quadrant we got it cos theta and sec theta. Inverse of cos theta will give us sec theta. These two ratios will remain positive and rest of the ratios will give us negative. So let me erase. Here I will write only how you can remember all these values. So now you know the concept behind this. Let's say this is a, okay, a means all, okay, and this second quadrant s, only sine and cosec. Inverse of sine is cosec. A S T C. So with this notation you can remember that the values of all trigonometric ratios, which are the values will remain positive in different quadrants. Okay, A means all ratios, and S means sine and cosec, T means tan, inverse of tan is cot, and fourth quadrant cos will remain positive and inverse of cos is sec. This is sec, this is all sine cosec tan cot. So now we found that otherwise you can remember after school to college, you can remember like that, after school to coffee, whichever way you find convenient you can remember. This will going to help us to solve trigonometric equations in future. Thank you so much.